So this is one of those magical ways to get YouTube videos onto your computer so that you can then upload them to Schoology for students and instruction. I have a YouTube video here. It's one of the ones that I made for people to do something with them with email. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the share button down here and I'm going to copy this link. Always works best. You can just copy this up here, but it's much better to go to share and get a share link. Now I'm going to put in the Google search, the box at the top, the Omni box. I'm going to put in KeepVid, but I'm going to add the word works. So it's KEEPVID space works. Google search. I'm not going to a site. It's very important to do Google searches for things like this. Don't try to go www. Never. Then you know you're going to the one. You're going to the one that the rest of the world is using. And in this case, the first link says keepvid.works. That's what I want to go to. And I'm going to click in this yellow box, and I'm not going to click in the yellow box. I'm going to close that, and I'm going to say deny. So I tried to click in the yellow box to put the link in, and it jumped me to another page that I immediately closed. And then I closed that little box that said deny. It's important when you're on this site, you always deny it the rights or permissions to do anything. So I'm going to click in the box again, and it's taking me somewhere else again. I'm going to click in the box one more time, and now it's letting me be in the box. So I'm going to paste into that box, and I'm going to click download. I'm going to watch for that popping open another screen or whatever. Make sure it's doing its job. So here's the video, and here it says download video. I'm not going to press download. I'm not going to press download down here. I'm not going to press any of this stuff. It's this red one right here that I want. This red button right here in the middle, download video. Now this is not a download. This is another second tab that opened up. I'm going to close that. I'm going to press the red download button again. Now I'm waiting, and here's my video. Pause it. Now, it might just start downloading immediately. Other cases, it gives you the video in a separate screen. I'm going to right click, save video as, and now I can put it, I'm going to let it go in downloads. It's going to be called playback. I'm going to rename this the video I want to upload, whatever you want to call it. Call it what it is, give it its name. It's not going to pick its name up from YouTube. And save as type MP4 video. This is perfect. When I go to save this in downloads, I'm good. The thing with KeepVid, all those little pop-up screens were trying to advertise to me, sell me stuff. You want to make sure you never, so when you're going to KeepVid, you got to know, you're going into a site that's going to try to market to you and sell to you and do these things. So you got to be ready to close the tab at the top. It popped out like I just opened a new tab. It did that to me. So I got to close that thing, got to close the things. So watch this video and get used to that and be ready for that. Never click allow, always block it. Click the red download button. So just follow those directions very exactly, because what you get when you're done is really fantastic. What you get when you're all done here, I'm going to go to this PC, sorry. I'm going to go to downloads, and there is my video, and it is tiny. It is only 33,000 kilobytes, which is 33 megabytes. This video here can be uploaded so easily to Schoology just by going to Schoology and doing the file, add materials, add file, and all those things that I've done in other videos, and you probably already know how to do. So that's how you get a video using KeepVid. Works, and take great care to always, I call it knocking down the pop-ups. Just keep closing anything. It made, like you notice, it took me a few clicks to get it to the point where I could download it. Super useful tool. I wouldn't normally, you know, recommend using something that was that convoluted in terms of it letting you, get to what you want. But being able to get that video file off there so that you can actually put it where you want it to go is a big thing. So there's the video on how to get those YouTubes off of YouTube and put them where you need them.